announce that I have to leave this space. I'm back at my parents' house. I'm on a trip. I like to be educated. Welcome to the channel. My life has taken a very unexpected turn. With all this space around me, I am sad, but not sad to announce that I have to leave this space. I've been living alone, supported by my parents, obviously, because I'm a broke girl. I have no money. So I'm going back home, and I thought it would be very cool to vlog weekend or maybe a few days, I guess, however long this will extend to. And so I need to pack up this place because they're coming for stuff tomorrow. Pack, as you can see, this is a state. This is how everything is looking, and everything is very chaotic. It's majorly my fault on how things are looking because I'm just from filming a video and I was just moving stuff around. Oh yeah, I also have to run somewhere because my laptop just stopped charging and I have a warranty that expires in the next 14 days, so I need to run to that store and have them fix it because I don't want to pay money. No one wants to pay money. My warranty is not yet up, so I'm gonna quickly pack this on time lapse. Love time lapses. Oh my god, I love time lapses, and I'm so excited to be making time lapses.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out.
I said, okay, I cannot bear this again. Let me go.
Cute innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Not quite there yet, but somewhere. All that is supposed to be taken down. Supposed to pack up my whole tiny little kitchen. First screw, 17 more to 19 more to go.
And if I took a chance, it's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Done. That was the last screw. No, what made this like very strenuous and 10 times harder was this are star or cross shaped screws, and then my screwdriver is just this horizontal lovely dude. Horizontal vertical, like it's not star or cross shape, doesn't have a whatever, you get what I mean. And now I'm tired. Guys, it's been a few days, but welcome to the orange walls. I'm back at my parents' house. I moved out of my place. I came back home and now I'm here at their place. I'm here to conquer. That's a lie. I'm here to slave and wash dishes. But turns out I was being overly ridiculous because my laptop works perfectly. It was just the, what do we call these things? Whatever, one of that thing wasn't working and I didn't try to put the laptop charger in another one. So I ended up thinking my laptop was spoiled, but it's not. It actually works perfectly. I need to do some things because I have a test tomorrow. So I need to read for that, complete an assignment. Then it's a new month, and so I wanted to change out my vision board per se because the goals have increased. Some have changed, others have been added. This is what I have for right now. I want to make a new one with added goals that I want and all that stuff. Okay, list of things I need to do because I keep on fucking forgetting. Vision board, schoolwork, which is read for the cat and do the assignment, dishes, then I have to shower. Actually, those two go on top because I have to do those right now. But yeah, I will see you guys after, maybe when I'm doing my schoolwork.
I wish I knew.
It's very, very many days from. Okay, it's one day. I did my test yesterday and I was very tired when I came back. I came back home very late. I made a little snack, made some of that. Yeah, those are some garlic potato fries. And I saw the recipe off of Mama's plate. I did mine half-assed because I didn't have potatoes on me, so I just went and bought fries and then I made the whole garlic paste. And then I did not use dhania or coriander. I instead used mint leaves. Yeah, so now I'm just chilling. I'm going to eat. It's 4 p.m. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Euphoria. I want to finish Euphoria, like, finally. And then, yeah. I'm going on a trip. I'm supposed to be packing. And it's just chaos. I'm not. This is what I'm dealing with. I'm supposed to get clothes from here, from this whole mountain. I have to clean shoes. I have to clean up, tidy up this place. And then, obviously, when you're traveling, you need like good music. So I need to do like downloads. I need to do playlist downloads, and then I need to do some manga. What? What is up, guys? I got to my little getaway and I just want to relax and read a book. I'm reading this. Okay, so I was reading Jujutsu Kaisen, like I was catching up. I wanted to film my real raw life reaction. Hold on. I'm at chapter 218 and I hear chapter 219 is very devastating, so that's how he looked? That's how Sukuna looked? Okay, I know he had 4 arms. I think he just had 2 legs and 4 eyes and however many mouths. Why exactly would Gege do Megumi like that? It's so sad. No, like he's actually at his breaking point. Oh my god, you guys are not ready for... You're not ready for Shibuya. You're not ready for that arc. You're not ready for Gojo's past life.
I wish I knew how much I miss.
I'm gonna charge my phone. I've been out here. I've been reading Her. It's pretty cool. Pretty weird shit happening in it, but you know. I'd been talking for like a whole while until I realized that I was half filming. And then I kept on getting camera shy. So yeah. I'll see you guys when you see me. Very funny. I read this the whole night. This night, and then I got to what do they call it? I got to a serious plot twist, and I was like, I have to pause. This is too much emotion. It's tugging a lot of heartstrings. But yeah, something really major has happened, and now I think I'm ready to go on.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems, I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
This is the whole outfit in essence, and I'm just like, should I do the sneaker or should I just do the sandal? Really do something. Sneakers. I think I'm just gonna go with the sneakers. Sneakers. Yeah, so I'm back. Welcome to this is my sleeping quarters. I'm back, and this vlog is like all over the place. I finished reading this, and I just wanted to close this vlog off with like a review, some little comments. It's a very good book. So it's James Becker, The Nosferatu Scroll. What I can take from this is that people are stupid. I'm not saying it's a stupid book, it's a really good book, but okay, the book essentially, this is a book about vampires, and it challenges the whole myth of vampires existing and vampires not existing. Well, there's two parties. There's like people who believe vampires exist, and then there's like people who believe vampires don't exist. I don't believe vampires exist. I feel like it's cool in the essence of Vampire Diaries and Klaus and Elijah and Damon, but in this context, the rituals, crazy stuff. I mean, like, if you read this, you just be like, these people are fucking crazy delusional. You know, there's the good delusional, and then there's like the crazy chaos delusional. They were digging up, like, let me call them relics. They were digging up skulls of people they believed were vampires in like their timeline or life during the century in which they lived. Or yeah, they were doing some pretty nasty stuff to girls. I think that sums it up. And all in the pursuit of, they were calling it a nobility, like becoming a vampire. And it's just weird stuff. This is like 21st century, and you're crushing skulls and doing rituals to become a vampire? Are you dumb? Are you really dumb? So yeah, it just makes me side eye. But this is a very good book. Makes you really think. Has some insane plot twists. And then there's this weird thing I usually do when I'm reading. Any single time I'm reading a book, I will reach a point, like maybe like this book has like 400 pages. I'll reach like 100 and something, and then I'll go to the back last chapter and read like the last sentence. Then I go back to reading the book. It just makes me more eager to read the book. I don't know if anyone else does that. That is a book review. It's cool. Go read it. If you have it, read it. If you want to read it, this is your sign. This is your go ahead. I think that's like the end of this vlog. It's been very haywire. I do not know what I'm doing. This is my first time ever vlogging, so sorry for the weird camera angles. Yeah. So yeah, comment down below if you love the vlog. But yeah, also comment down what you'd like to see me style. Be a cool person and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my disoriented vlog. I swear the person standing behind me thinks I'm crazy. So welcome back to that. Welcome back to my video, not welcome back to my sleeping quarters. Oh my god, there's a child coming and they're gonna think I'm a lunatic, so I'm gonna shut up. commentary because, yeah. I feel so awkward and weird and helpless. I hope she doesn't think I'm crazy. Okay, I think we're recording. This is so painful. We started packing. Parking? Parking. I just said packing. That's a dead phone. That's a dead phone. That is a dead phone. Getting good amount of sun. God, there's another crew. I cannot do this anymore.
We play our roles and ignore the problem.